Comfort, convenience, security. Chevrolet options help to customize your car or truck. They make it yours. Add to your enjoyment. Chevrolet options are a sound investment. Many help add to resale value. Some return a significant part of their original cost. Here are some important ones. Air conditioning. A must for hotels, restaurants, offices, homes, and especially cars and trucks. With Chevrolet's four-season air conditioning, you and your family enjoy a cool, quiet, window-up ride in the hottest weather, in which dust, excess moisture, and 98% of irritating pollen have been removed from the air you breathe. Chevrolet Comfortron gives you automatic climate control. Any temperature you select, between 65 and 85 degrees, is maintained. Best of all, windows remain closed, so there's almost no wind or traffic noise. Here in the engineering cold room, this Caprice is subjected to temperatures 20 degrees below zero. Yet inside the car, it's still a comfortable 72 degrees, thanks to Chevrolet's four-season or Comfortron system. Now let's put Caprice in a hot room and cook it to well over 100 degrees. But with Chevrolet's air conditioner in operation, the inside temperature is still a pleasant 72 degrees. People come in all sizes. For families in which the husband and wife drive the same car, Chevrolet's Comfort Tilt steering wheel fits the car to each driver. She wants the steering wheel like this. He prefers it in this position. Comfort Tilt gives you relief and relaxation on long trips. The wheel position can be changed easily while you drive. For long-distance driving, Cruisemaster Speed Control helps make long driving trips more enjoyable. Its operation is simple and convenient. You accelerate to the speed desired, then press the engagement button located in the direction signal lever. Like the autopilot in an airplane, Cruisemaster maintains the speed you set automatically without attention from you. The slightest touch on the brake pedal instantly disconnects the Cruisemaster, returns the car to complete manual control, just as though it weren't there. Everyone knows how helpless you feel when you're stuck in the mud or in snow with your wheel spinning. A Chevrolet option called Positraction automatically sends power to the wheel that has the least tendency to spin. This is how it works. The rear axle of every car is equipped differential, a set of gears designed to allow for the fact that in rounding curves, your wheels are forced to travel unequal distances. When one wheel is on firm ground and the other on a slippery surface, such as loose gravel, sand, water, mud, snow, or ice, the engine power is automatically limited to the wheel offering the least resistance. This causes the wheels to slip or spin. Positraction automatically transfers the engine power to the wheel with the most traction. This prevents the wheels from spinning. If you use your car off the highway or want added help for driving on ice or in snow, Positraction is one of the best features you can add to your new Chevrolet. A steamed or frosted rear window can be a nuisance. The way to avoid it is by ordering Chevrolet's rear window defogger. As shown in this time-lapse dramatization, it directs a stream of air across the rear window, quickly clearing the glass, thus improving visibility to the rear. Another convenience feature, Chevrolet's power windows, give you central control of the side windows, while each passenger also has individual control of his own window. One of Chevrolet's best security options, power door locks, which enable you to lock every door in the car from the driver's seat. The sound of security. fast. More and more people are enjoying music, news, and sporting events anywhere they are. For good listening while you drive, Chevrolet offers a broad selection of different radio and stereo equipment. This is the solid-state AM push-button radio. The solid-state AM/FM radio gives you an even greater selection of stations and channels. AM/FM stereo with 4 speakers gives you superb sound and fidelity. This AM radio with its built-in stereo tape system gives you music free of interference and commercials. While the finest in-car system available, Chevrolet's AM/FM radio with built-in stereo tape system gives you the very last word in listening enjoyment. Chevrolet's color-coordinated vinyl roof adds distinction to your car, while front and rear bumper impact strips help protect chrome from scuffing and corrosion. Another touch of personalized distinction: custom wheel covers. Deluxe wheel covers. Rally wheels with special caps and wheel trim rings. Wheel trim rings go well with those white lettered tires. Whatever your taste, wheel covers enhance the appearance of your car. They dress it up. All these many options and more have been engineered by Chevrolet so that you can individualize your car or truck. Make it more completely your own. Ask your salesman to show you the new Chevrolet Car and Truck Options catalog. Chevrolet Options, giving you a more convenient, more comfortable way to see the USA.
Congratulations on buying a new 1972 Chevrolet. You bought the best in its class, a product that Chevrolet is very proud to stand behind. The Chevrolet New Vehicle Warranty is your assurance that Chevrolet uses advanced design concepts and techniques in planning its products, builds its products with care and craftsmanship, and tests its products to maintain a high level of quality and dependability. This is an important step in product development because today's automobile is very complex, containing in the neighborhood of 15,000 parts, and these parts must be right. The task becomes even more demanding when these parts are put to work day after day, from smooth roads to rutted roads that violently pound and jolt the suspension, and under widely varying extremes of temperature and altitude conditions. That's why all moving parts must meet high standards for durability. But this isn't all. The instruments must be accurate. The upholstery must be durable. The doors must fit right. The paint must retain its brilliance. The point is this: the building of a car is a gigantic job, one that requires painstaking procedures. And to help assure that your car is delivered to you in the best possible condition, it is carefully checked and inspected at the dealership. Under the hood, the body and chassis, under the vehicle, it's road tested and checked for appearance. Chevrolet and your dealer go all out to take good care of your car. More of this caring comes through the passenger car warranties. They are actually statements of obligations and responsibilities of Chevrolet, the manufacturer, your dealer, and you. So let's look at some of the major provisions. Chevrolet warrants to the owner that for a period of 12 months or 12,000 miles, whichever first occurs, it will repair any defective or malfunctioning part of the car, except which are warranted separately by the tire manufacturer. This applies to any vehicle registered in the United States and Canada. The warranty covers only malfunctions resulting from defects in material or workmanship. The warranty does not cover malfunctions resulting from misuse, negligence, alteration, accident, or failure of the owner to have required maintenance services performed. Or replacement of maintenance items such as spark plugs, ignition points, positive crankcase ventilation valve, brake, and clutch linings made in connection with normal maintenance services. And the warranty does not cover any car in which the odometer mileage has been altered and the actual mileage cannot be readily determined, or loss of time, inconvenience, loss of use of the vehicle, or other consequential damages. There's a pro rata adjustment provision for the battery in case it fails in normal service after the 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty expires, but before the car has been in operation 36 months. Tires are guaranteed by the tire manufacturer to be free from defects in material and workmanship for the life of the original tread. The tire manufacturer, at his option, will repair a tire found to be defective without charge or make a pro rata allowance based on the amount of wear on the original tread toward the purchase of a new tire. And guarantees the tires when in normal passenger car use against road hazard occurrences such as blowouts, fabric breaks, cuts, bruises, and snags. Chevrolet will pay the authorized Chevrolet dealer for the repair under the warranty of any defective or malfunctioning part of the vehicle except tires. Repairs will be performed by any authorized Chevrolet dealer in the United States and Canada within a reasonable time after you have delivered the car to the dealer's place of business. On all Chevrolet passenger cars except Nova and Vega, during the first 90 days of the warranty period, any authorized Chevrolet dealer will make the following adjustments if needed at no charge to the owner. Wheel alignment and balancing, adjustments to the carburetor, distributor, points, or timing, drive belts, transmission, clutch, and brake system, cleaning of cooling, fuel, or brake systems, tightening of bolts, fasteners, and fittings. Taking good care of your car is a two-way responsibility, Chevrolet's and yours. You also have specific obligations under the warranty. For example, you are responsible for maintaining engine oil at the proper level, changing it at specific intervals, having the engine oil filter changed, and getting the chassis lubricated. Check your owner's manual as to oil change frequency, oil quality and viscosity, and other items related to the care, maintenance, and good housekeeping of your Chevrolet. In addition to the 1972 Chevrolet new vehicle warranty coverage, the emission control systems on your car are warranted in a separate emission control systems warranty to be free from defects in materials and workmanship for 50,000 miles or 5 years, whichever occurs first. Here again, you have specific obligations in the maintenance of your car's emission control systems. The air cleaner, choke, filters, spark plugs, distributors, CEC valve or vacuum advanced solenoid, idle stop solenoid, positive crankcase ventilation valve, and other items. The maintenance intervals at operations vary, and they're outlined in the Emission Control Systems booklet. The required owner's emission control maintenance services are thoroughly explained. The requirements of the federal clean air meaning of normal vehicle use, the definition of the maintenance source, and the retention of maintenance receipts are explained. Descriptions of different emission control systems are given. Also covered are the symptoms of malfunctions which may affect vehicle emissions. This is an important document. Read it thoroughly. In every way, Chevrolet takes good care of your car, from the designing to the building, from the testing to the warranty. Keep in mind that Chevrolet pays for services or repairs as specified in the warranty, provided they are defective in material or workmanship, such as the steering gear, water pump, generator, starter, engine, springs, transmission, drive shaft, differential, and many more. But as mentioned, the consumables, things that are used up or wear out, such as gasoline, oil filters, spark plugs, ignition points, and so on, are owner maintenance responsibility. Because of his continued and personal interest in you, it is to your advantage to have the dealer from whom you purchased your Chevrolet perform the normal maintenance and warranty services. However, any Chevrolet dealer in the USA or Canada with the Chevrolet training available to him is qualified to service and repair your vehicle as required. For you to get the utmost in motoring pleasure and to fulfill your part, thoroughly read the new vehicle warranty, the owner's manual, and emission control systems booklet. Keep the warranty folder with the protector plate attached in your vehicle at all times, and make the folder available to your dealer should warranty work ever become necessary. Taking good care of your car is performing the required service maintenance. So discuss the maintenance requirements and the new vehicle warranty with your dealer or his representative at the end of this film. He will then ask for your signature, acknowledging that you have seen this film on the 1972 Chevrolet new vehicle warranty.